I'll tell you a secret. Social media is not built for selling. This is super crucial. If you get it right, this is where the gold is hidden.
In a way, we kind of did it by mistake.
This is something so simple and people screw it up or maybe skip the step altogether because they're impatient.
Okay, I'm going to create content that is going to be good for my younger self.
Hi, welcome to my video. Download my thing. Shy people are the worst salespeople. You know why? Because when you're shy, like we were at the beginning, you've got a mental image on how to sell. When you've got the worst mental image of a salesy salesperson, and then you try to act like one. And that's why you suck at that. But I bring good news because social media is not made for selling at all. And since we made multiple six-figure selling on social media without selling, we just wanted to share with you our strategy that you can apply even if you are shy. Let's suppose we are ready to promote something. How do we promote our product to the audience we have already?
I have seen a lot of times beautiful, incredible people that have created their offer. They have validated their offer. They have everything packaged up and they get very excited and the very first thing that they do is buy it, buy it, buy it, buy it. And I was like, no, no.
I love the enthusiasm.
No. I know you're very excited about your baby that you've just created that is very digital and it's absolutely incredible, and I know that you want to help people, but that's exactly what you should not be doing. It's almost like you're getting into a store and the person that is in the store is trying to sell you the handbag and then their sandwich and then they're trying to sell you the pair of shoes and then That's not how it works. You need to help the person out and lead them through a specific path.
I'll tell you a secret. Social media is not built for selling. So we never sold anything, and when we tried on social media, we didn't get any result whatsoever. This reminds me of the first time we launched our membership back in 2017. We made a video, a workout video, and then we mentioned it saying, by the way, we opened the membership where we've got more videos in there. Please go and give us money. Well, not phrased this way, but kind of sounded that way. We had 10,000 people in the channel. How many signs up we had? Not even 50, I think. It was an $11 product. So I thought we just wasted almost 2 years doing this. Social media is a scam. So, but now thinking back, after making a ton of money without selling, what did we find?
So what I found is that in a way we kind of did it by mistake. When we created our first YouTube channel, Lazy Dance Tips, I said, okay, I'm going to create content that is going to be good for my younger self. So I started giving. That's pretty much what I did. I started giving and I created also something that would complement what they were doing. I wanted to give them extra value. I also wanted them to know that everything that they downloaded from me wasn't scam. It wasn't pushy. I wasn't going to spam them. I wanted to help them out in the best way possible. Really do love your people and give them value because that is the only way you will ever grow as a business and you will have people coming to you happy.
We have sold so many digital products just by using sales pages. And if you don't feel good about writing sales copy because traditional marketing and sales sucks, and I agree with you, why don't you just use the method that we found to put together an ethical sales page that also converts? It's a framework that you can download for free. It's a guide that we took out from our coaching program. It's completely for free. You can download it in the link below. So you can write your own sales pages that actually sound like you and not like a used car salesman. If you are trying just to make a quick buck, you be shouty and spammy and slimy, and nobody likes that. If you are not like that, but you are overexcited because you want just to have to serve people, because you are passionate about the solution that you found, you just sound exactly like a salesy person. So that doesn't work either. You might say, but if people are ready, why shouldn't I just tell them how I can help them? Sure, but you are, statistically speaking, to only the 1 to 2% of the audience you want to capture, because the only 1 to 2% of people are ready immediately to buy your solution. What about the rest of 98%? These people don't know you. They need to understand your method. They need to get to know you to see if they like the way you talk, the way your voice sounds, the way your method would work for them. And how do you do that? Like Alessia mentioned, you want to invite them into your ecosystem, offering something additional to free social media content to get in touch whenever you need to. So you want to give them something for free in exchange for name and email. This is something so simple, and people screw it up or maybe skip the step altogether because they're impatient, and you're missing out on 98% of people that will potentially one day need you.
Think about this. Think about the journey that you are having with the person. It's almost like you're taking them by the hand every single time and you're leading them through this path. Once they are ready, the only last thing that you need to do is to offer them something on a silver plate, just because they are ready.
But how do we send them into our ecosystem using our social media content? Because social media is not for selling, is to be social, to give out, right? So if we never ask for anything, how are they gonna stepping into our ecosystem? So this is super crucial. If you get it right, this is where the gold is hidden.
So remember, whenever you are on social media, YouTube, whatever it is, just give out. Also because remember, even if you give out the most important golden nuggets that you have, not everyone is ready or good enough to figure out what the path is going to be. All right, so just give, you guys. The people need to know who you are. People need to know where you're coming from. If you're actually genuine, if you are the kind of person that is going to talk to them from the heart, and then nicely, gladly just say, hey, I've got this thing, this PDF, this whatever, to complement the path that you are on. So whenever you're thinking about creating your so-called lead magnet, create it based on what they're doing to help them out even further, because maybe they need an extra step. They need pointers. They need something to help them out. The only thing that they need to exchange is their email and name. That's the only thing they need to do.
But make sure you don't start your video or your piece of content with that. Nobody wants to, hi, welcome to my video, download my thing. I don't even know you, dude. What the heck? Just give them something, deliver something of value, then mention it. Like when it transitions nicely to, okay, this is an additional resource I've got on my website. If you want to go deeper, this is the link, and then you move forward. Some people, actually the majority of people that are the most interested, will click and get into your email list because they want to get closer to you. That is the whole secret on social media. It's not more complicated than this. If you're in the process of building your digital product, stop right there. If you don't know if it's going to sell, it's basically useless continuing working on it. There is a better way that we found after wasting 1 year building a digital product. And we explain exactly what we did and how you could do it too right here.